This siren is legal mayhem. Whelen 295SLSA1 hands-free siren unleashed. Let's talk real for a sec. You're juggling chaos on the road, sirens failing mid-chase, mic controls clunky as a 90s pager, tones that sound like a dying lawnmower. Frustrating? Try infuriating. You've got milliseconds to react, but your gear is stuck in 2002. Whether you're first to the fire, EMS, or enforcing the law, unreliable siren systems slow you down, kill your flow, and put safety at risk. You need power, speed, clarity, and control, not buttons that stick or tones that vanish when you need them most. Your vehicle's voice shouldn't be the weakest part of your response. Now imagine this. You're in pursuit, adrenaline pumping, and instead of fumbling through random tones, everything is right where it needs to be. But with outdated gear, that's a dream. Missed tones mean missed cues, miscommunication, and worst of all, missed seconds. Every second counts in life or death moments, and bad tech only amplifies the stress. You're trying to stay focused, hands on the wheel, eyes on chaos, and your siren system's out here playing guess the tone. Let that sink in. The louder the stakes, the quieter your old siren becomes. That's not just frustrating, it's unacceptable. Enter the Whelen 295SLSA1 hands-free full-function siren, aka the Road Warrior's best-kept secret. This beast packs 100 to 200 watt selectable output, 17 customizable scanlock siren tones, hands-free horn ring control, and a pre-wired PTT mic that overrides tones instantly. It doesn't just scream loud, it screams smart. With built-in radio repeat, public address, mechanical air horns, and military-grade reliability, this compact under-dash unit transforms your response vehicle into a tactical command center. No lag, no guesswork, just clear, customizable, unmistakable sound that cuts through chaos like a hot mic through butter. You get laser-focused control with the rotary knob layout, ultra-clean sound from the high-output amplifier, and a system that runs smarter, not harder. Safety features? Voltage protection, short-circuit handling, silent diagnostics, and yes, a siren-in-use icon for your video system. Installation? A breeze, thanks to the compact frame and adjustable bracket. Whether you're a fire chief, EMT, or patrol unit, this siren makes you faster, louder, more in control, period. Pair it with Whelen speakers and you're rolling in with the audio equivalent of Thor's hammer. Get ready to be heard, felt, and feared. Don't sit on the sidelines with that outdated junk bolted under your dash. Thousands of responders have already upgraded to the Whelen 295SLSA1, and once they did, they never looked back. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a mission-critical transformation. And with Whelen's 5-year amplifier warranty, there's zero risk, all reward. So why wait? Stock is limited. Demand is high. Lives don't wait, neither should you. Click now, lock it in, and let the world hear what serious response sounds like. Your siren's your voice. Time to make it roar.